Well, let's build the receiver filter. Number of different types of filters exist. Some using waveform data type, other using array data type. I'll go ahead and use the version that operates directly on the waveform data type, which is defined as our primary input and output for the signal. So let's consider the digital II filter in a little bit more detail. Number of different connections. Probably we don't need to worry about the air in and the air out. The IIR filter specifications definitely is something that we need to consider. Now, to get a sense of what's required, you can create a constant initially, and certainly a variety of things are recognizable in there, but it's not exactly obvious what the 100 means or the 200 means. It turns out that each one of these constants in the cluster constant has a label. That one's a little bit hidden. This one apparently is something associated with attenuation. And again, you can see the full help page for details on all of those. But in terms of trying to specify some of those values and perhaps leaving others at their default, let's make use of the bundle by name node. And connecting that up to our cluster constant means that we can then pick off any one of those that we'd like to be able to adjust by something like a front panel control. The elliptic bandpass filter produces a very nice sharp cutoff, and that's a good feature for the receiver filter. The order then can be made adjustable as can the lower cutoff frequency and the upper cutoff frequency. So you could also create front panel controls for those. So again, we have a mixture of default values and front panel controls, and those then finish off the configuration of the filter.